Hello student, welcome to DSS online class. Today we read the remaining part of chapter 5 तानसेन. Dear student, हम लोग यहाँ तक पढ़े थे कि the तानसेन become most favorite of the Emperor Akbar and the another courtier are very jealous to him. And they thought that to get rid of तानसेन. इट मीन्स वे सभी कोर्टियर्स जो है यह सोच लिए कि तानसेन से किस तरह छुटकारा पाया जाए. सो दे प्लान दैट इफ तानसेन सिंग राग दीपक द एयर बिकम सो हॉट एंड देयरफॉर तानसेन हिमसेल्फ burnt out and become into ashes. वह ये प्लान किए थे कि तानसेन जो है जैसे ही राग दीपक गाएंगे वह हवा जो है उनके आसपास इतनी गर्म हो जाएगी कि वह खुद उसमें जल के भस्म हो जाएंगे. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर वी वांट टू स्टार्ट. ऑफ कोर्स, ओके स्टूडेंट, of course he can sing it. Tansen can sing anything. And when Akbar heard about the Tansen who that sing the Rag Deepak, he said that of course Tansen was a very greatest musician, so he can sing Rag Deepak. Akbar said. Tansen was afraid but could not disobey the king. And when Akbar said that to sing the Rag Deepak, Tansen became very afraid, but he could not disobey the king. जैसे ही तानसेन सुने कि उनको राग दीपक गाना है, पहले तो डरे, बट वह अकबर का डिसोबे नहीं करना चाहते थे. अकबर के आज्ञा का जो है उल्लंघन नहीं करना चाहते थे. वेरी वेल माई लॉर्ड, ही सेड. देन तानसेन सेड वेरी वेल माई लॉर्ड. उसके बाद तानसेन ने कहा ठीक है माई लॉर्ड, एंड बट गिव मी टाइम टू प्रिपेयर माई सेल्फ. एंड तानसेन सेड दैट गिव मी मोर टाइम टू प्रिपेयर राग दीपक. तानसेन वेंट होम. ही हैड नेवर बीन मोर downcast and unhappy. And Tansen went to the home and he was very anxious about the singing of Rag Deepak, but he was not unhappy. वह चिंता में तो थे कि उनको राग दीपक गाना है, लेकिन वह बिल्कुल दुखी नहीं थे. I can sing the rag, he told his wife. And Tansen told to his wife that he can sing Rag Deepak. But the heat it gives will not only set the lamp alight, it also burn me to ashes. And he said to his wife that when he sing Rag Deepak, it becomes very hot, and the heat not only lit the lamp but it also burn me to ashes. तानसेन ने कहा कि मैं तो गा लूँगा, जो हीट होगी उससे दीपक तो जल जाएगा, बट आई वॉज ऑल्सो बर्न इन टू द एसेस. लेकिन वह गर्मी जो है मुझे भी जला करके राख कर देगी. देन ही हैड एन आइडिया. देयरफॉर तानसेन हैव एन आइडिया. If someone sing rag make at the same time and sings it properly, it will bring rain. He said that if anyone can sing the rag make at the same time, then it will bring rain, and perhaps our daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupati could do it, he said. And Tansen said that his daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupati can sing the Rag Megh at the same time. He taught the two girls to sing Rag Megh. They practiced night and day for 2 weeks, and Tansen taught the two girls Rupavati and Saraswati to sing Rag Megh, and they practiced through day and night for 2 weeks. Tansen told them, "You must wait till the lamp start burning." And Tansen told to his daughter and her friend Rupavati to wait till the lamps start burning and then you start singing. तानसेन ने जो है सरस्वती और रूपवती को बोले कि वे तब तक इंतज़ार करें जब तक जो लैंप है जलना स्टार्ट न हो जाए एंड व्हेन द लैंप स्टार्ट बर्निंग देन you start singing Rag Megh. Okay, student, I think you understand very well. And after that, this part. The legend goes that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Rag Deepak. And the day was appointed, fixed, and the whole town of the kingdom assembled to hear Tansen singing of Rag Deepak. पूरे शहर किंगडम के लोग जो है एक टाइम निर्धारित हो गया और सभी लोग उनके राग दीपक गाने को सुनने के लिए सब लोग इकट्ठे हो गए. When he began to sing, the air becomes warm. And when Tansen began to sing the Rag Deepak, then the air became warm. Soon people in the audience were bathed in the perspiration. And after that, the audience who assembled there, they bathed in the sweat. वे हवा गर्म हो गई और जो सुनने वाले लोग थे वह गर्मी के कारण जो है वह पसीने से नहा लिए. The leaves on the tree dried up and fell to the ground, and the air became so hot that the leaves of the tree dried up and fell on the ground. हवा इतनी गर्म हो गई कि पेड़ों के पत्ते सूखने लगे और टूटकर जमीन पर गिरने लगे. As the magic continued, birds fell dead because of heat, and the water in the river began to boil, and the birds also fell. They died because the air is so hot, and the water of the river also boiled too much. The people cried out in terror as flames shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamp. And after some time, some people cried out in terror. कुछ लोग जो है चिल्लाने लगे, डर से चिल्लाने लगे. And as the flames shot out nowhere and lighted the lamp, and then the flames came out from somewhere and the lamps lighted. और कहीं से जो है ज्वाला निकली और जो दिया था वह जल उठा. At once Saraswati and Rupavati began to sing Rag Megh, and at the same time Tansen's daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupavati began to sing Rag Megh. जैसे ही लैंप जला, तानसेन की लड़की और उसकी सहेली राग मेघ गाना शुरू कर दी. The sky clouded over and rain came down, and after singing the Rag Megh, there are lot of cloud in the sky and rain came down. Tansen was saved, and at the same time Tansen was saved. उसके बाद से तानसेन जो है बच गए. द स्टोरी गोज दैट ही वॉज वेरी इल आफ्टर दिस, एंड द स्टोरी tells about the Tansen that he was became very ill after singing Rag Deepak, and Akbar was sorry that he had caused him so much suffering, and Akbar was very sad because Akbar thought that he was the only person who caused so suffering टू तानसेन. अकबर ने सोचा कि वो काफ़ी दुखी थे कि उन्होंने ही जो है उनको राग दीपक गाने के लिए कहा है, और तानसेन को जो इतना कष्ट हुआ, जो इतनी सफरिंग हुई, वो उसके जिम्मेदार वही हैं. ही पनिश्ड तानसेन enemies, and after that Akbar punished those courtiers who was Tansen enemies, because they said to Tansen to sing राग दीपक, क्योंकि वही आदमी ऐसे थे जिन्होंने तानसेन को राग दीपक गाने के लिए कहे. When Tansen got well, entire city rejoiced, and when Tansen became healthy and got well from illness, the whole city became very happy. Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till 1585 when he died, and after that Tansen remained in the court of Akbar till 1985 when he died. उसके बाद तानसेन जो है उनके अकबर के दरबार के एक सिंगर के रूप में 1585 तक रहे, जब तक वह मरे. जब मरे उस समय भी वह अकबर के दरबार के एक ग्रेटेस्ट सिंगर के रूप में रहे. ही कंपोज सेवरल न्यू रागास. ही तानसेन कंपोज मैनी ragas, many new singing of notes. Tansen's tomb in Gwalior, it is a place of pilgrimage for musicians, and there was the Tansen tombs in Gwalior, that is the holy place for all musicians. तानसेन का मकबरा ग्वालियर में है, और यहाँ पे जो भी म्यूजिशियंस हैं उनका एक तीर्थ स्थल है. जो भी म्यूजिक से रिलेटेड होते हैं वह वहाँ पर जाते हैं और वो यात्रा करते हैं और तानसेन के मकबरे को देखते हैं. Dear student, this is the whole lesson, and I think you understand well. And after I gave the notes of question answer, and then you write in the copy, and whether any problem you call me or you contact with the message also. So have a nice day. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.